So sometimes a mod is expensive and hard. Sometimes a mod is expensive and simple. Sometimes it can be cheap and hard. And sometimes it can be simple, cheap, and easy. So one of the things that's bugged me with this TJ is that the driver's sun visor is just gone. It broke off. And it kind of sucks when you're driving into the sun. So on Amazon, I bought pretty much the only replacement sun visor I could find, and just gonna take this out and install the new one, and should go pretty straightforward, I hope. You never know with this Jeep. So T15 Torx screws, 2 of them. Moment of truth. It fits in the thing up here. Works great. Awesome. Now to just do it on the other side. Right, all done, and arguably the prettiest thing inside this Jeep now. And there's no rust on the sun visors now, so I'll take it for a win.